So today we begin to talk about ratio and proportion. When we think about ratio and proportion, we can really stretch this over quite a lot of topics, and it can include quite a lot of math skills. Uh, so some of the learning objectives, and these are just some of them, like I said, you can see. So I'm not going to read them out. You can just kind of give them a gander. But as you can see, there's a variety of topics, and in each of these, there's lots of different cases of things you can do, but this stretches over a lot of time. So, when it comes to ratios, what exactly do we mean? Well, a ratio is how we compare two or more different quantities or amounts. So, we represent this with a colon in the middle of two numbers. So, usually we relate one quantity to another. And so we could relate the amount of apples in a store to the amount of bananas in a store. So for every 3 apples, there's 4 bananas. So that means if that means that we can have 6 apples to 8 bananas, right? Same thing. We could talk about kind of pictorially. We could talk about ratios. So we have 3 blue dots to 5 green dots to 2 red dots. So more than two quantities, and also pictorially, right? And then lastly, well, we can compare 2 girls to 1 boy, and we can say that's equivalent to 4 girls to 2 boys, right? So we can find, right, if we know a really simple ratio, we can say, well, okay, now I'm going to say I have 270 boys. How many girls am I going to have? So we can kind of do that to work out some maths. So we're going to work all through this over the next set of videos, so stay tuned.